In one of my Instagram stories, I got more than 1,000 views, and it's the first time that I see that in my account. I'm gonna share with you what I did so you can do it and try it yourself and see the results that you can have with this. So this is my account, as you can see, and this is how it looks. If you want to see my Instagram stories, you can follow me. This is my name, and I make Instagram stories every day and I publish them, so you can take a look and see how they sound, how they look, and all that stuff. So right now I don't have the Instagram story that gave me lots of views, but I have a screenshot, because you know that Instagram stories last 24 hours. After that, if you don't archive them, they go away. So for archive, I do something different. I don't keep my Instagram stories in my archive. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna show you my results, and I'm gonna go to my camera roll, and this is the Instagram story that I made. It had music in the background, and it had like a little bit of movement. It looked very good to me, of course, because I made it, right? But yeah, so right here, as you can see on the bottom, on the left side, I have 1,239 views. Something like that never happened in my account. I'm telling you, I'm not a professional. I have a small account. There's a lot of other accounts that are way better than mine, and they have like a ton of views, but this is like from my perspective and my small account. So I never got something like this, like 1,000 plus. And then I was like asking myself how I did it, like what did I do to get all those views? So here we have location, 14 views, another view from location, and the rest on the bottom, my followers. But I have a hashtag right here, which means letters, and this hashtag by itself gave me more than 1,000 views. And I was wondering why, like what did I do? So I thought about it, and as you can see right here, I have 90, 200, 70, but this is the only one that made more than 1,000 views. And the thing is, like, I was using hashtags in these other Instagram stories, but I was copying and pasting, and that's a huge mistake nowadays. And this is the date today, March 17th. So it's a huge mistake, because Instagram now wants everything human. Like, of course they want to make more money, and they want like real humans using their platform. So this is why they're doing all this new stuff, and like if they notice something tricky, or they see like there's something going on too fast, they're gonna take that as something wrong is happening, and you're a bot or a robot or something, and you're not a human. That's what it means to them. So that's what I was acting like, just a bot, like trying to do tricky stuff. So in this Instagram story, I acted like a real human. Like I took my time, I used icons and stuff like that. I used text, location, of course, in just one hashtag. For some reason, I only used one hashtag, because I was like, why should I use even more hashtags if they're not working? Because they weren't showing on these other stories. And I was like, I'm just gonna stop using. I don't know what to do. I was kind of frustrated, and I was like wondering why is that happening? And it was happening because I was acting like a bot, and Instagram doesn't want that. And yeah, that's what I did. I typed every single letter of this hashtag, and then I place it. And of course, if you want to learn how to place location and hashtags, I have another video. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and I'm also gonna leave it at the end of this video. Don't copy and paste. Don't do it in Instagram stories, because it's not gonna, Instagram stories are gonna cancel your hashtags right away if you copy and paste 20, 30. It's gonna cancel it. And if you just type, like, take your time, think about a hashtag that is related to your post. Don't use hashtags that are not related to your post. This one is so related to my post. And if you want to post something about fitness, of course, use one hashtag that has to do something with fitness, and like stuff like that. And just because I have this hashtag that gave me lots of views doesn't mean that it's gonna work for you, because if your content is not related to this hashtag, it's not gonna work. Because the thing is, like, people now have the power to tell Instagram to stop showing your content with that specific hashtag, because it has nothing to do with it. And if you get that, your post is gonna like get banned. It's gonna be slow and it's not gonna show anymore. But if it's like getting better, and like people are reacting to it, this is gonna happen. You're gonna get more views. I mean, these are a lot of views to me, because I never got these views before. But if you just imagine if you have like 2,000, if you're way better than me, which is fine, and I respect it. If you have 5,000 views already with your technique that you're using, and if you switch it and if you do it better, you might get double views. So yeah, this is what I did. Use location, use your hashtags, type them, and that's how Instagram stories are working now. I'm not saying that this is like the rule to follow, but I'm just sharing my experience. I copied hashtags before, they didn't work anymore. I only used one hashtag, type it, and boom, I got a bunch of results, as you can see on the other Instagram stories right here on top. Before, after, copy and paste, right here. I typed it, put it in, took my time, boom, even were like way more views than the other Instagram stories. So there you have it. Try it, and if you want to share your results with us, just leave it in the comment section below. And this is it for me. If you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description. Thank you.